Hello guys, welcome to the Casual RC Guy channel. My name is AJ and today something came in the mail. Let's check it out. So what we have here is a metal stand, a working stand for RCs that comes with some goodies here, some parts. Let's check what we have here. A very nice bag. This is the base. This is the top, I think. Tray and some padding. So let's see what we got in this box. Oh, very nice. So yeah, we got some clips, some nuts, various sizes, some bolts, some screws, and yeah, we have several sizes of screws, some washers, and some tiny O-rings. I guess this will be useful for my builds and to maintain my cars. Nice little touch. Everything you see here came for 24 euros if I'm not mistaken. Really cheap, but it's all metal. I don't know, I think this is aluminium. It feels like aluminium. And yeah, let's put this together and see how it looks. So guys, to save a little bit of time on this video, I decided to use a technique I saw someone doing online, and this for sure will save me lots of time in my videos. So let's try it. Boom! Boom! No, it doesn't work with me. Oh well, I gotta build it myself, so let's do it. Okay guys, here it is, the finished product. Quite a nice stand. It has adjustable height and then you can lock it via this screw over here. This is a magnetic strip. Also this tray has a magnetic bottom. And here there's some measures in inches and centimeters. Quite useful, I think. And that's it. Simple stand. Let's try it out with my Neofighter. Not perfect for the Neofighter, but it fits because it has a narrow chassis, so so I would have to put it maybe like this, sideways. Let me see. Yeah, it works. Also works like this. So if I want to work on my car, I have a high stand and a tray for the tools and some extra goodies over there, and that's about it guys. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Whoa.